60 pounds of chicken wings, tropical zinger, Jamaican jerk. Let's get it. This is how I season my chicken or chicken wings, whatever I'm doing. So I'm gonna get my seasoning together. I'm gonna use about a cup of the Jamaican jerk seasoning. We're also gonna add a little bit of jerk marinade, just for a little extra pop. That's about 2 tablespoons, not a lot for 30 pounds of wings. And then some oil. For the zinger, same thing. And now this mixture is what we're gonna pour all over the chicken wings. Help us get nice, even seasoning everywhere. I like to remove the wings and leave as much of the chicken juice in the bag as possible. No, they're not getting washed. We have our chicken wings in this bag. This is a turkey brine bag. We get our seasoning and oil mixture. And then we're just gonna pour this all over. Jerk wings will do the same. Now you can get in here, or you could use the bag to kind of move them around. So, let me show you how I do it with the bag. See, all my wings look evenly coated, no clumps of seasoning anywhere, just perfection. Now you can brine this overnight, or you just season it for a couple hours, whatever your jam. Well, let's say for some reason you don't want to flip the bag around like that, you just get your hands in here, just work these around. Even. So we have the grill right where we want it for chicken wings, because we want these things crispy. Jerk wings, top and bottom. And on this side, we got tropical zinger.